people reporting. Okay.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission for Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to the system. Your outpost on Baatu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Botan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Right, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
All the way to the transport ramp. Recruits all the way to the transport.
All recruits to transport. No need for safety
Get you out of here.
Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara.
Transport's ready, recruits. We're all ready to move to Resistance ground tonight. Let's get to airborne. Move out! Let's make the Resistance ground tonight.
Getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better.
All right, recruits. Hold on to those handrails. Good luck. May the Force be with you.
I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
Look what I got on hyperdrive.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive ne jagah nahi dar rahi view.
Good. Airspeed sensor?
View.
Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
System scan ready.
Affirmative.
Red okay.
Hyperdrive systems normal.
View.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. About to get better,
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Cowboy, First Order TIE Fighters, reroute! Reroute! Too close to the path, so transport can make a jump!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Get there. One in there.
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Now quick, get there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance cargo vessel TR-141, you are now under the command of the First Order. You will disembark immediately and proceed down the hallway to your right for processing and interrogation. Now get out.
See down the corridors, guys.
You can go ahead, you can go ahead.
The theming here is so good. I mean, the Stormtrooper area, this everything blows my mind. I love it, and I love watching his perspective of it as well. So let's get back to him.
How many? 3 follow them. How many? 2 follow them. 3. 3 follow them. Counting is hard.
How many here? 3. You're on silver. Alright. Guys, remember your colors. They're vital for your interrogation, and you'll find the same color inside of the cell. If you have any bags, take them off and hold them in your hands. If you have anything on top of your head, remove that as well. Get up here.
Look at
Okay.
excited. He's just in awe right now.
Blue and red. Silver, right side.
You must know all about the Resistance, right? No, you're not talking.
No, he won't say a word.
Really?
No.
Are you with the Resistance? No? Go in the cell. Silver, go away.
Yes. Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
You're still here? I was coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way.
Todos para su seguridad permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
I'm scared.
That's R5, buddy.
It's okay, Poppy. Don't think too scared.
Good luck.
Okay, take this corridor to the terminal lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Baatu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the terminal lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention lot 3. Let's go. Find an alternate route. Who'd take these two droids anyway? Priority alert. Detachment to level D. There they are. Fire. If anyone's making a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods, they're floors. Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
team.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for his copy. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
Sir, this is Baatu Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, hurry.
Yeah. You're alive. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.